tree right here. It's had some nice big tomatoes on it. Here's a group of 4. Can't wait to get a weight on those and check those out. Here's a couple more. Now I had to cut the buds off because they're producing excessive amounts of flowers. Here's one. There's not as many on this one, but yeah, it's quite productive, and it's got some beautiful, really tasty tomatoes. $270 grams, 9.5 ounces. See those tomatoes right there? I need to put them in the water culture beds. Actually, it's one bed. In order to do that, I've got to make room, and that means removing all of this. I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to keep one cucumber, and the outside Noe gardens beginning to come along. Still a way before we get production, but I'm going to have to sacrifice the broccoli and these cherry tomatoes, which we've been getting regularly. Anyway, I got to make room for the next generation here, so I'll get after that. We're getting there. Got the top vacuumed off, and now I have to scrub it and make it look a little better, just for my own sake. I don't think the plants care. The floor is a mess, but we'll take care of that after everything else. Clean. I'm filling it back up. Clean water. And it'll be clean water. And then tomorrow I'll drain it. So there's about this much left in the bottom. And then I'll fill it back up again with clean water. Then add the nutrient. Now we need to get the little seedlings here. Transplants, whatever you want to call them. Ready to go in there. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take them out of the tray and rinse them off and put them in a cup, sort of like this. And we're going to slowly up the nutrient till it's full strength. And then I'll put them in the water culture bed behind me filling up. There we go, 38 plants. Very, very dilute hydroponic nutrient right now. I will, as they drink it, I'll just add more hydroponic nutrient, and eventually it'll get to full strength. I'll add it from the water culture beds too, so it'll acclimate to the water culture bed nutrient. Second fill. Love those bubbles. It's been a couple days, and the little plants in the cups are doing great. Next generation. The mama plant, which is here, is doing great. Down there in the corner I put up three new tomatoes that are called Punky 1124. That's a new tomato. It doesn't look like my cucumber is going to make it from the transfer of the water and added new nutrients. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. It's got a good root mat and everything on it, so it's kind of unusual. Put the tomatoes in their spots. I have some backups underneath there. And I've decided to leave a couple places for a hybrid cross between California Brian and Lipstick. And these are the 4 I chose, and I'll let them grow until, or if I want to remove them. And just curious to see what they look like inside versus outside. Alright, the only thing left to do is add a little bit of salt. Bring out that nice tomato flavor, a little bit of pepper. Put it on the white here so I can see how much pepper. Not much. Doesn't need much. Tastes great on its own. It is so hard to beat a nice tomato sandwich, let me tell you. The only thing better than a nice thick tomato sandwich is maybe a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. That is so good, you guys.